On the 23rd spin, I'm advised to bet 3 units on low and 1 unit on numbers 19 to 24. I do, and it wins immediately. On the 24th spin, I get the bet I've been waiting for, the hidden even chance, when there are 18 numbers that haven't been hit. I bet on all of these, and it loses, so I double my stake. Then on the next spin, it wins. I then press the reset button and play the next game. On the 11th spin, I'm advised to bet on all the 11 prime numbers, which have all slept 10 times. These lose the first 2 bets and win a small amount on the 3rd bet. On the 22nd spin, I get the bet I've been waiting for, just 18 sleepers remaining, so I bet 20p on each of these numbers. I win immediately as number 5 comes in. I now click on the new reset button, which resets the counters to 37, keep spinning the wheel and entering the numbers into Roulette Key Gold, waiting for the next 18 sleepers or indeed another bet. After 16 spins, I'm told that 3 finals remain unhit. That's every number ending in 2, 5 and 6, as in this instance missed 16 times, so I place a bet on each of those. This wins immediately on number 2. After 16 spins, I'm told that 3 finals remain unhit. That's every number ending in 2, 5 and 6, as in this instance missed 16 times, so I place a bet on each of those. After 25 spins of this game, there are 18 sleepers again. Again I bet £3.60, I have to double up, but then I win £14.40 as number 22 comes in. My closing balance is £110.86, up from £92.82, a profit of over £18 in 20 minutes playing Penny Roulette. Why not try Roulette Key Gold for yourself and see how well you could do?